Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to Zanjira 3D Jewelry Design. So today in this video we are going to make a ring which is like a flower. So guys, if you have not subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe it for more tutorial regarding Gemvision Matrix 8 and 9. So let's start. First of all, what I am doing is I am taking a gem and it will be around the size of 5 mm. This gem is the center gem. Now I have opened the looking down tab. I've selected it and will press the F6 command. So there we have it. Now what we will do is we will take gem profile. I have pressed the right click. Now I am hiding the diamond to make the offset curve of the circle. Distance is 0.3. After taking the offset curve, we will go to the surface and then patch it. Now we will trim the center part. Now we will go to offset surface. We will go to the perspective tab, flip the arrows upward and then right click. So there we have it. Our center is completed, which will hold the center diamond. Let's move forward. Now I am making the cylinders which will hold the gems. Selecting it from the end point, 0.35 will be the diameter. Now we will go to the throw finger area and select the length from there. 1 mm is usually better. As I have told you in the previous video, this one box is 1 mm. So I have taken 1.5 mm as the size of the cylinder. Now we are doing the array puller. We will do it by 4. That's good. uh, these are the cylinder that will hold the gem. Now our next step will be to make the fillet edges of the cylinder. Solid command fillet edges. Select the upper curve, set all 0.15, right click. So there we have it. Our edges have been completed. Now again array puller command 4. That's good. Okay, then now let's move forward. Now we will take the smaller gems which will be circled through the area, and it will be around the size of 2 mm. I am changing the color of the bigger gem, making it dark blue, and now we will drag the other gem which is about the size of 2 mm. This 2 mm gem will be around this, will make the circle around the ring. Let's see how it goes. Now we will take the gem profile of this smaller gem again by using the F6 command. Now doing the offset curve 0.3. That's good. Selecting both the curves. Now we will patch it and then we will trim it from the center. That's good. Now again selecting the surface, doing the offset surface, going to the perspective tab, flipping the arrows. So our base is ready for the gem. Now next step will be the cylinder. solid cylinder command. First of all, we will open these snaps. Now picking it from the quad. Now we will go through to the side view tab. Size will be the same. That's fine. Now our next step will be to do the fillet edges. Perfect. Now we will mirror it. We will mirror it from the center there. I have opened the center from the snaps, as you can see. Now our next step is to make the base curve which will hold these both bases. For this we will use the throw finger tab. Now we will go to the curve and take art direction. That's good. Now we will select the curve and go to the solid area and then pipe it. We will make a pipe diameter. Always select the diameter 0.3. Sorry, my mistake. I have to select it 0.3. Right click, again right click. So there we have it. One mistake is also there. We have not made the round pipe. We will make it round from the top. As you can see, the gap is flat. Now that's good. That's better. Now we will merge it a bit. We will merge it on the inner side just to make it a bit small also. There. To everyone who is watching the video right now, guys, do subscribe to this channel for more tutorial regarding Gemvision metrics and Rhinoceros. I am working on more advanced level tutorials in the upcoming days. So as you can see that the gem setting is also a bit out. We will update it from here. Now again we will go and array polar this. I have selected both pipe and the gems, and the total number will be, we will decide it 18. There is a gap, as you can see that there is a bit gap. Now let's try 20. Still a bit of gap is there. Let's try 22. That's good. That is absolute perfect. That is absolutely perfect. Let's move forward. So our next step will be to make the ring rail. So you have seen in my previous videos the tutorial of how to make a ring rail. It's easy than the front design. The important part was to make the front design, and I think I have teach you well regarding the front design. Okay, then now we will start to make the ring rail. Guys, do subscribe this channel for more upcoming tutorials. Hope you guys have understand the complete tutorial of this flower ring, and you have also understand the ring rail, how the ring rail is made. Uh, so the difficult part was to make the upper area of the ring with all those gems, and my aim was also to teach you regarding the front side of this ring. Hope you guys have understand it. If you guys have any queries, you can comment in the comment section. I will definitely try to help you. Guys, do subscribe our channel and hit the like button also. Thank you.